So Heinzie, status
Hello.
report.
Yeah, so we're now changing a little bit of direction.
So we've decided that the subframe needs to come out. Maybe something we should have done first time, maybe
Probably about 2 months ago.
2 months ago. Would have made life a little bit easier. But so we're undoing the subframe and we're busy working on it. And usually people tell us not to use extensions when you're doing high torque things. I can see why now. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but gorilla hands over here. So we need to buy a new one of these, and hopefully
A vanadium
Yeah.
alloy of slightly better tensile strength.
maybe 5 mil thicker.
Yeah, that would be good.
Anyways, a quick tour of the car. As you can see, ta-da! This is what it looks like at the moment. So, is the engine fully supported yet? No, it's not. It's just about ready. We realized we need to take the exhaust manifolds off because it's not going to happen if we don't. So, the subframe's coming out. I don't know if you guys can see underneath here. Ta-da! So we've got the jack there, in anticipation to support the weight when it comes off. We've bought a new mat here so that we don't break our backs too much. And then once the subframe is off, it'll maybe give us a bit better access for the manifold. If not, we can start lowering it just a tad. We've drained the gearbox oil, which is pretty cool. And kudos to Ed China. He showed us a cool tip on Wheeler Dealers the other day, and just shows you how completely stupid we are. On the oil drum here, oil can, is that what you want to call it? It's actually got a draining board here, so if you take this cap off, you can just drain the oil straight in there. You don't actually need a bucket. So Ed, thanks. You saved our lives on that one. More to come. Heinzie, any other updates?
Not really. We're slowly making progress. I think we're getting closer now.
Yeah, I think this is possibly the longest engine out procedure ever known to man.
By the two biggest idiots.
In hindsight, we should have taken out the top.
And as
shouldn't
you can see, it's now turning to winter, so this is getting more and more fun. So anyway, we'll get there. Get it done before Christmas.
we? You reckon?
I hope so.
Can't we have to get it done before Christmas? Cheers for now, guys.
Cheers.
Bye.
We have a torrential downpour with our makeshift roof
And our makeshift cover.
and makeshift cover, so we can all remain a little bit dry. However, some things aren't so lucky.
Let's get some light in here, Heinzie. So, you want to sum this up?
Yeah, progress, I think, is the theme of today. No? I think we've done some really good progress today.
So what should we have done 2 months ago?
We should have taken the sort of support steering under tray out.
Yeah?
Yeah, probably. We should have probably done that about 2 months ago. Would probably saved us about 6 days worth of work.
I'm trying to remember what the proper name for that thing is.
I don't fucking care.
You can't swear, you can, you dick.
Of course I can swear, you can beep it out.
So apparently it's raining.
Again.
Yeah. We've taken the sub support out. Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. There she is. And this is going to make our lives much
bit
easier
Until we put it back together.
until we put it back together again. So, yeah. Audi 5, Audi 50, Maya's
Two. Also, the engine is suspended at the moment, so it's actually hanging.
And we have our engine support device, which is creaking at the seams, known as a toolbox. And I'll be honest with you, I won't be surprised if we come back next time and that toolbox is shaped in a pancake shape. And
Yeah, oval shape will be a nice way to put it.
so, I think we're finally at that point where we might actually start doing work on what we intended to do, and that's change the camshaft. But anyways, more on this later. Ciao.